Hi, in front of me is CAT S62 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now choose Apps and Notifications, Advanced, and Permission Manager. Over here, pick one of the options. I will go for Location, so I have to tap on it and select an app, for example phone. Over here, pick one of the options. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back, I can see that phone gained access to my device location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!